welcome to my channel. So for this video, I am embarrassing myself because I don't know how to do makeup. But I did this look. So let's get into the video. Bye. Hi guys, so just a little disclaimer, I am not teaching anything. This is not a tutorial. I'm just playing in makeup, okay? Thank you. Okay, so already the foundation color is not working for me, okay? But it was the only one I had. Let me know in the comments if this is my color or not, because to me, it don't look like it. That's not my concealer shade either, because I'm looking a little ghostly right now. Y'all go ahead and flame me in the comments with these faces that I'm making. I can't even give you an explanation of why I'm doing it. It was helpful, okay? Now see, this the part I was scared of. The face powder, ooh.
Hi sisters!
This stuff was going everywhere. I edited it out, but I was dying on this stuff. I was literally choking to death on this face powder. I don't even know. Don't ask. Leave me alone. Baby, when I say this bronzer is my best friend, girl, I was too hyped because I ain't never played with bronzer before. I never thought that I would like bronzer, but I think I went a little OD on this stuff. I was just so in love. That concealer is definitely not for me. Look how bright my under eye is. Like, goodness gracious.
A few moments later.
So I seen this girl on YouTube draw a line where I drew that line on my lip and it made her lips look bigger. It didn't do that for me. It actually looked pretty damn stupid now that I'm watching the video over. Yeah, it's a no for me. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Bye.